Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to fix data connection problem in Xiaomi Redmi mobile. So let's begin our video. So at first, what should you do? You just need to open your phone settings. Okay, now what should you do? You just need to scroll down and you can get a option connection and sharing. So just open this and now scroll down, and at the last option you can see reset WLAN, mobile network and Bluetooth. So you just need to select it, and at the last option you can see reset settings. So you just need to select it and you need to type your password here, then next, then you need to confirm. Okay, so it's reset now in this settings. So after settings your data, everything, then you can fix or you can solve data connection problem in Xiaomi or Redmi mobile. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this.